I'm going to steam shrimps. Okay.
Yep.
And I can choose the mini, like this one is 5 minutes. This one maybe take 3 minutes because
they're small.
Yeah. So easy. I can press start. Okay.
And then,
as I said, is going to, this is boiler, so it's going to 90 degrees.
Okay.
And the last 10 degrees is you can put, and it's going to make steam straight away. Okay. So it's, the concept on steam is different between direct injection and boiler.
Okay.
Okay. So
because it's ready to go. Yeah.
Yeah. So 90 degrees. Okay. You put inside. You start to make steam straight away.
Yep.
Okay. And it's going to reach 100 with steam.
Yep.
That one is going to reach 100.
110.
You 100, 110. You put it inside. Okay. And you're going to make steam from that point.
Oh, okay.
This one before. That one straight away. Okay?
Got it. Yeah.
So recipe is completed.
Recipe completed. Oh, that's your crispy skin.
Yeah. As you can see, I have only ovens here. I'll go just the induction to warm up
Oh, yeah.
the sauces. Okay, but here we are. So that is ready actually. So very easily, I'm going to put this one inside. Here we are. I'm going to put this one to warm it up as well. Now, for this one, we said we're going to gratin the baby scallops.
Yep.
And we're going to grill
The salmon at the same time.
Yes. So I like to have, when I'm talking about grilling fish and meat or vegetables, I like to have my tray hot.
Okay.
You can do from cold, there's no problem, but I prefer do from home.
So you preheat the tray?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm just putting the tray inside. Okay. So I'm going manually because it's easy for me. So I'll go manual. Okay, so I'll go combi. I'll go like 220 degrees, 230 actually. Okay.
Yep.
Timing for that kind of thing is one is I can put 5-6 minutes. Okay. This kind of cooking I can use the multi-level as well.
Yep.
But I prefer to.
You don't need to.
But you can, if you know exactly the timing, okay, you can set with the multi-level, and it's going to look
Okay.
after the program. Humidity, like 30% of humidity, okay, and ventilation at 5. Okay. So here. Se potremmo fare multi-level? Why not? So we do multi-level, so as you guys can see, multi-level. So what happened? We want like everything ready to go
At the same time.
So all out.
Yep.
Okay. So I'll go combi 230, like 30% of humidity, ventilation on 5. And here I'm going to choose my settings like level 2. I put my baby scallops, and maybe I put like 5 minutes.
Yep.
Okay. And on level 6, okay, I put my salmon, and it should look around like 7 minutes. Okay.
A little longer.
Yeah. So if I start, so recipe has been set.
So because they're all coming out at the same time, you'll put your scallops in first, and then it'll tell you.
I'm going to put my salmon first.
Sorry,
because
salmon
it
in
takes
first.
longer.
Yep.
And then I'm going to put. He's going to tell me to put my scallops.
1 minute later.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then everything's going to be ready at the same
time. Yeah.
So it's 3 minutes away. Okay. As I will tell you before, now the oven actually is cooking. Like is that one is baby prone, so take less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I can put 1 minute. Okay. Here we are. So actually, I changed my timing.
Okay.
Was missing 3 minutes, so I said no. I just want 1 more minute. Okay, and the oven.
So now it's doing 1 minute from when you set it.
That's right.
Yeah.
So the oven is going to update himself.
Okay.
From the start, the time I press OK.
Yeah.
So here we are.
So you've changed it from 5 to 1,
Yeah,
and it's
yeah.
from when you change
Yes.
it.
From when you press OK,
Yeah.
it's going to modify the timing and take the time that you want to do.
Yeah.
The new one.
Okay.
Okay, so here. And after we're going to regenerate the octopus
Will do.
and do some shallot. Okay?
Shallot.
This is the caramelized shallot. Sous vide. I cooked yesterday.
Okay.
Here we are. So actually, recipe is ready. So, see,
Yep.
it's been cooked. Nice color.
Well.
Nice color. Okay, then we are going to actually try. I'm just cover up 2 seconds.